Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Techman Solutions. Just a super quick stock market update as we head into the extended hours. I do apologize for the late upload. QQQ did break below, which is the NASDAQ future. We've had a very common support range for the past couple of weeks, right around this 280 support range. As of right now, we're trading right around 276, around 276.90 by the time that the market closed. One of the things that I'll quickly want to show you is on these NASDAQ futures. I have this set up on the 1 month chart. We could see that for the past couple of, really days, we've been seeing that same support range. And one of the things that I want to remind you is that, patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. The reason I want to make you aware of this is that if we do begin to see signs of a support on the NASDAQ market, maybe not tomorrow, right? But maybe even in this up and coming week, right, on Christmas week, actually, to see if we actually begin to show signs of a support because of this common pattern of the overall lows of 290 and overall highs of overall lows of 280 and overall highs of 290 to 295. We could see that there's a general range of about almost 5%. And if this thing moves 5%, then the triple leverage ETF moves 3 times that, right? So then that's a 15% move. So the reason I'm bringing this to your attention is obviously if the market continues to sell off, let it bleed. The cheaper it gets, the better it is for you and I. We can pick it up when actual opportunity presents itself. I just want to make sure going into it that you are aware of these previous support levels. And if we do begin to indicate signs of recovery, then to understand what goes up when the NASDAQ market actually begins to go up. So as long as you're aware of that, that's all that really matters. We do have the PMI reports that are going to be released 15 minutes after the market is open. So that's going to be on Friday, December 16th. So just a super quick update. Today was a pretty rough day for the NASDAQ market. I mean, if we look at it on the 1 minute time frame, a lot of selling pressure for the better half of the day, and then a lot of consolidation for the other half, right? We didn't make much progression after we kind of hit that midday mark, and we saw a lot of consolidation, even some signs of a recovery. But then again, it flattened back out into market close. So NASDAQ futures, as many of you guys saw already, are in the green right now, but barely so. Not much going on there. I'm just excited to see if we actually begin to indicate signs of an uptrend, and we'll just happen to catch that within our live trading session. So I am thinking of going live pre-market. Let me know in the comment section if you're part of our LPP team and you want to see one of our private live trading sessions. I'm thinking of hosting a private live session tomorrow. That is pre-market hours. So you can let me know down in the comment section and then we'll make it happen. So I hope that earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message via Discord, and that's that first link down below. Again, if you want to watch me trade live every single day, I only work with one group and one group only, and that's my Learn Plan Profit group, and that's that second link down below. So appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.